Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2019 Kia Forte, and on this 2019 Kia Forte we're going to go over how you replace the low beam headlight on your vehicle. So the low beam headlight is located back here. We have ample access to where we can get our hand back here without having to remove everything else. So we're going to turn this cover counterclockwise and remove that. And then in here is a light bulb. We also turn that counterclockwise to remove and then pull out. And then we have just a push clip here. To remove this light bulb. And this is a 9005 is the light bulb that you would get to replace this one. And then you do your best when you're putting it back in to not be touching the element there, because you'll reduce the life expectancy of the light bulb. So you can put it back in when you if you need a new one. Right. You just got to get it to go in the gap and turn it back clockwise, a quarter turn. Make sure it's all locked into place. And then do the same thing with this cover, is that you get it in there and lock it into place. So that's how you replace the low beam headlight on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.